being cars for our back. So we have race cars against Team Classic cars, and we're going to drive them down the ultra hot track. So whatever car touches the carpet first gets 1 point for the team, and whichever car gets the farthest gets 5 points for the team. Smash the subscribe button and hit the like button. My dream is to reach 100,000 subscribers.
All right, subscribers. Here we are. So we picked two teams. He says these are the race car team.
Yeah.
This is the race car team.
And that's the classic car team. Or I could say it's old cars.
And this one he says are old cars. All right, there they are. So 7 cars on each team. We're going to race them down this Hot Ones track that we've been doing. If you're following our videos, you've seen them. We're going to see who reaches the carpet here. And if you get to the carpet, you get a point. The furthest car gets 5 points for their team. All right.
First up, we have small block for race cars.
All right, we're going to do the small block.
Do I just leave them?
It's up to you.
Well, it's my video, so I'm going to do what I want.
That's right.
Oh! Oh!
He's on.
Our first one. Our first try. What the heck? Our first try.
Maybe it's just let him down easy. He went real good. You know, the track. I see the track broke.
What?
Track broke.
Yeah. Maybe I just gotta pull it a little further. When I gotta pull that so my car's not full. Next up for Team Classic cars, we got Mercedes. I mean, first up for Team Classic cars, not second. I'm gonna get that open.
Poke a hole.
Poke a hole. I don't think I could do one. Wait, I got it. Never saw this color interior is nice. Oh, he's stuck.
You don't fit.
Next up for Team Race Car, what is this?
I don't know.
Can you read it? What is it?
It is a McMurtry Sperling.
I've never heard of that place before.
Me neither.
Car's pretty small. Oh!
Did a flip.
What? That was a good try, though. Oh, he was
He
just
hit the carpet and couldn't get on.
Yeah, he was just too low.
Oh.
I think I want that to count because he hit it.
All right, why don't you put him on the lip of the carpet? How about that? There you go. Perfect.
Okay, it looks like race car is in the lead.
There you go.
Race car is pretty good. Next up for Team Classic cars. 190, 68, Duster 20.
Come here.
I
It's a 1968 DS21 Palace. We're pretty close.
Yeah, we're pretty close. Pretty close. There you go.
Poke a hole.
Poke a hole. While there's a white part that's big enough for my finger, then I just can't, and I could get it easily, but the gray part is hard to pop.
It is hard to pop. You're right.
Yeah, so that's why I need help from my strong dad.
Oh, thank you.
See, that's hard. It might take a while.
There you go. was like super.
Yeah, this is kind of like bulletproof.
Kinda.
Yeah, but it's not bulletproof. Oh, well, drop that.
Alright.
Simply will cause. Oh!
Crashed.
This old car was pretty good.
Right, give it another try. Oh.
He did just crash into the red pole.
Yeah.
Okay, next up for Team Race Car, we got Roger Dodger.
Roger, Dodger.
Oh, that was a good rip.
Perfect rip. Those are the ones we like.
Yeah, we like those rips. Oh!
Roger, Dodger made it.
Team Race Cars is good. They're really good.
They're really good.
Next up for Team Classic Cars, we got the fiber from the fiber set. Okay, got a hole.
Perfect.
Just a nice fiber. Okay, that'll get so good. Oh, wait, it looks like the trunk opened now. It looks like the trunk bar was just displayed. Actually, let's see my car. Is this a
24/7.
Is it 24/7?
24/7.
7. I don't know why the car is called number 7, just like 6, 7.
Kind of
Or just 7. Kind of weird.
2 plus 4 is 6, so 6, 7, you're right.
Katie, keep flipping. Next up for Team Classic Cars, we got another fiber from Fiber Set.
The Walmart Pontiac Firebird. It's a Pontiac Silver Series.
Yeah, we have one upstairs. There's a yellow one. So, remember the gray part is hard. And I might need help from a strong dad again.
Thanks, buddy.
It's a nice fiber. Oh!
Ooh, the Firebird.
Okay.
He now has the lead.
Okay, so now Team Classic Cars has 1 point, but Team Race Cars has 3 points.
Yeah, but technically, Team Classic Car has 6 points because he's in the lead.
Well, I don't understand that.
That's your rules. Go ahead, keep going.
Okay. And next for Team Race Cars, we got the
Gordon Murray auto.
out of T30. Oh, a good one. So Team Classic Cars is in the lead now?
6-3.
Okay, Team Classic Cars is winning. Oh!
Not anymore.
Not anymore.
Whoa.
4-6.
Well, it's 4-1.
Okay, so we have another Gordon here, so this one might make it.
Swagler's not understanding his own rules.
Okay, so next up for Team Classic Cars is the mistake. I understand my rules. I understand it.
It's technically 8-1 over here.
Okay, no, they let it. No, Team Race Cars let it
So
please.
it's 4-1. Say 4-1.
No, 4-6.
4-1.
No, 4-6.
No, he doesn't have the 5 anymore. It's 4-1.
Okay, I think that track is way too.
Ooh, he crashed. That car stopped him. He was going to be the furthest.
Okay, next up for Team Race Cars, we got the Alley.
All right, 6-2 or 4-2. I'm sorry, 4-2. Team Racers holding on.
Yeah, Team Classic Cars are winning now. Okay, the alley didn't fit.
He doesn't fit? Alright.
Okay, next up for Team Classic Cars, we got the Dodge.
The Dodge pickup truck.
Okay, I'm pretty sure Team Classic Cars is gonna win. Cause they're totally in the lead right now.
No, they're not.
Oh, Team Race Cars are winning. Whoa! He just crashed there, but he was really good, but he just crashed.
He was going fast. Oh, he was going fast again.
Yeah, but he just hit the pole and he went. Okay, last up for Team Race Cars, we got the Gordon.
Another Gordon Murray automotive.
This is the same car but different color, but it might not make it, but it might make it like the other Gordon Murray.
We'll have to find out.
I never saw teal Gordon like this before. Okay, that was so bad. Okay.
He spun out.
I just moved. I think I'm
Just,
good.
no. He's done.
Last up for Team Classic Car, we got the Volkswagen. So that Gordon didn't make it, but he was close.
Yeah.
But he made through the track. So this is an old Matchbox one. I think this is the oldest car in the, I think this is the oldest car in the classic car set.
It's probably the newest car in the classic car set, but
It's the newest one.
yeah.
Wow, hard to open here. Oh,
I wouldn't consider that a classic car.
okay. Oh, I got it. It's in a pretty big box.
There we go. The Beetle Bug.
I'm good. It's a Beetle by convertible. Oh, it's not fast. Oh, he flipped. He made through the track, but he flipped. So I got Team Race Car wins.
Team Race Car scores 4 points to Team Classic Cars 2 points. Team Race Car has the furthest vehicle, so they get an additional 5 points. Therefore, it's 9-2. Team Race Car wins 9-2.
Smash the subscribe button and hit the like button. Bye.
Check out all this guy's videos.
Yeah, bye.